Okay. Okay. Let's try it again. Still nothing. Just give you a better idea of what's going on here. Press the start button. Right there. You can see. At the same time, you're footing the brake. Very hard to see. It's dark, but it won't start. If you take your foot off the brake, it stops. So this gives you a better idea of what's happening. This is what I've been going through for quite some time. Someone told me try opening the door, try closing it. Tried that. Steering wheel not locked. Lock the steering wheel. How are we supposed to lock it? Steering wheel's locked now. As you can see, steering wheel is locked. Nothing. Try holding down the brake. Doing it again. Nothing. This car's ready for the garbage. Something obviously is not connecting properly. Try exiting. Try locking. And it starts this noise now as a new thing. When you lock the door, it goes out for about 30 seconds. If you go to open the door, it starts again. Let's try it again. Oh. Nothing, as you can hear. That's where we are right now. Piece of shit.